Hi trade boosters, welcome back to this brand new video. This is a very simple indicator, which is the Hullsuit and your Ashi, which is the Heikin Ashi candlesticks. It's a 2-rule based strategy. I'll show you guys how it works right now. So number one, you need to wait for price to be oversold, to look for buy opportunities, and you need to look for price to be overbought for sell opportunities. All right. Now here's the rule. Whenever price is oversold, you are going to wait for our Hullsuit to turn green as such for a buy opportunity. And you can see we had a nice win there. It was a nice win. And whenever price is overbought, you're gonna wait for a sell on your Hullsuit. That's how simple it is. Thank you for watching. If you need further help, let me know in the comment sections and I'll help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.